Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very great in your life. तो आज का जो वीडियो है ना, आप लोगों को तो थंबनेल और टाइटल देख के समझ आ ही गया होगा. दिस इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग अवेटेड वीडियो एंड मुझे बहुत टाइम से बनाना था, तो मैं अभी बना रही हूँ. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट वीडियो क्योंकि थोड़ी बहुत टिप्स है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. बहुत ही सिंपल ईजी ट्रिक्स है which you can literally follow in your daily life to avoid frizz in your hairs. First, make sure to detangle your hair every now and then. I mean, morning, afternoon, and night. Yes, you have to do it. To keep your hair frizz free, tangle free, you need to do this. And see, I have heard a lot of people saying this कि you have to use a wooden comb to get over with the frizz, but honestly, whenever I comb with a wooden comb, I face a lot of hair fall. So I just stick to this plastic one. But if wooden comb gives you better results, you must use that. Second one, apply any serum or hair oil to the lengths of your hair to prevent frizz. Take a pump of any serum or oil and basically apply it to the ends like this. It does locks in the moisture and it does keep your frizz away. Trust me. Your hair will be very manageable and it will look very good. And if you want any suggestion about serum, hair serum, which you might purchase, so I would recommend this one, anti-frizz serum for rough and dry hair. It's by Lemon. If you have very frizzy hair just like this, you might purchase it. It will save your life. Trust me, girl, it will save your life. Number three, always make a hairstyle before sleeping. Do not make a ponytail. Please do not make a ponytail. It will pull your hairs like this and you will face a lot of hair fall. Do not even bun. Always make a loose braid. Make this very loose, okay? Very loose. And never use this kind of rubber bands. It causes more breakage to your hairs. Always use this kind of rubber bands. This keeps your hairs very healthy. Sudden change in background had some problems. Go with that. Number four, this is not a mandatory step. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't. You can use satin pillow covers to avoid frictions in your hair and the pillow, which will cause less friction and keep your hair healthy. This was today's video. Hope you like it, and if you have, please subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family. Also like the video, share it and comment if you think these tips are helpful. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. The next video is going to be about how to trim your hairs at home in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. So subscribe for that.